Welcome back. Okay. What is a microscope? A microscope is nothing but some organisms, like a microorganisms, need a microscope to be viewed. You can't see through your naked eyes, so you have to uh, have a particular magnification to just view into it. Now, you have in the light microscope, which uses a normal light, and in there are different types of microscope, as you see. Compound microscope, then you have dark field microscope, phase contrast microscope, differential interference contrast microscope, fluorescent microscopy, and confocal microscopy. Each works for different samples and they have their own principles. Now we'll see how a normal microscope will look and what are their parts and what are the specific uses for each part. So you will have a confocal lens. This eyepiece, it will have a particular magnification. Okay. Now you have this body tube where this should fit, no, so that's why you have a body fit. And you have a nose pin where you can rotate it. This is rotatable, where you have this objective lenses, three different objective lenses. One will be 4x, one will be 10x, and one will be 100x. So based on your convenience, or based upon your wantingness, I mean wantability, whatever you have to like zoom it, focus it more, based upon that you can just rotate your objective lenses. And you have the stage clip, and here you can place your cover slip with your sample so that your sample does not move here and there. And you have the diaphragm to adjust your light to reflect properly to your stage there. This is the light source where you will have a mirror, a convex mirror, where it will reflect the light and just make the sample visible. And you have the coarse adjustment and your fine adjustment. This is your base as normal. The coarse adjustment will help you to like make uh, take your stage more further to the lens, objective lens. Fine adjustment is like if you want to like magnify it little bit, like maybe point 1 times magnification, that will help you. Now, what is a magnification? So magnification, as I told you, you have the ocular lens, that is the first lens, and the objective lens, second lens. In between you have the three different lenses here, right? So together will be your total magnification. So yeah, that's all for this. And there are different types of microscopes. As I told you, the light microscope, that is just where the light focuses on, and you will have the magnification lens which will magnify. Here they have the compound lenses, that's fine. Stereoscope are nothing but which uses, you will have here, you have only one, no, as you have seen here, you have only one ocular eyepiece. But for the stereoscope, you will have the two ocular pieces. Okay. For the same sample, you will have the two ocular pieces to view a large specimen, because the specimen will be so large, you can't use only one eye to view all those. You have to see all parts of it. So you will have the two viewed binocular, a kind of microscope. Stereoscope is done. Now, scanning electron microscope allows scientists to view the universe too small, that is, you can't even see the microorganisms in the light microscope, that will be visible in the electron microscope. That is very even small microorganisms like viruses are very smaller than bacteria, even that can be visible in the electron microscope. Then you have the transition electron microscope, which uses electron. Scanning also uses electrons, transmission also uses electron. But instead of scanning, there is no scanning here, but the electrons are passed through a very thin specimen. So if you have thin specimens, this is usually for thick specimen, this is for very thin specimens. As I already told you, eyepieces, you have the eyepiece usually will be of 2x and 5x, and also sometimes 10x. And objective lens, usually you can see 4x, 10x, and 100x most probably. This is the thing where all the microscopes will have. Stages, as I've told you, that is the same role. Magnifications, as I told you, total magnification, now you have to calculate both the ocular and the objective, you have to add. Thank you.